amakana magendereraro until recently nyali bali yakakwire consider nandi bantu batebira none abana bakekera bali gukina otaginko nyoma guchikonyoma nyabiri bali ginkonyoma nguchikonyoma nyali bali because of the kind of infrastructure or the kind of exposure nyali bali tunabagambi bali ngo tikeli mugakanya chai Andrew Manga nabakanka bange nyamweya we have had leaders until recently Monda, Muskemonda, Musketongi. We've had very many, very productive. Mugaka Kirisi Vichage, even if it was a short period, did something. He's also talked about as a and many more leaders to have Nava Jumbe Baito. So those leadership Jenny to Aitrina Vanda Baito, Bagachire is Nyaribari, particularly Nyaribari Church, and those leaders as one of the places and Aquadimaya, Bakoleta Magendero. Lakini Kuchigocha Maigake, and I don't want to go there because you didn't ask it. Gocha Maigake, Pintombiro Chibuya.
Ngiko Katena until recent.
Until recently, rende ngoteba bagambi kuchakira 2022 kuchimagega baletre nyali bali buya ntwanya kotwara lyuma na nintu twali kuligera unga nintu eliso lyumuguzi kuzino mugakanya cyane wankuru abo baracha nintu twabere eliso lyumuguzi in general even shaping the politics lyumuguzi but now where we are nintu tukolete. We are not the people omuguzi yarategeme. That's why we want to return Jene Savali umunyali bali unase yakabiri. Yes.
Nonyali kwera omuguzi no rali binyoroime utamaiti nangiko kwanda. Igege sunte ku kwana gose as ukwana bunasi naro mubekire. Nonyali kwera kapizo omuguzi anyali gakwera ngiko gende tu kwana.
Already omuguzi kabisa sabeta. Muna wakwana no munyali bali chache. Na amanyete ninkia gukwanera. Igago kwananga etwara ire because a culture ituna twakine twabiri uno mugusi development wise nkogendera twalingi recently bonege ntukegendera teseita somebody pockets all the money for development and gives abangina egeremba buli amaswali gokolino ne chipara jitu they are worse. It's one of the worst constituencies to work. 4 years, there is no tarmac road. There is no tarmac, not even 1 kilometer. It is now Montago Chagotengaya, Nachire, Gochakande, Gokorande. Where were you 4 years? Gochake Parabon 2020 that Unyekero. And we doubt it will be there. Yes.
Ngokomochi.
Yeah?
Ngotora mochi asingani.
Umujumbe twachorete etwagosetaka bagusi twasekereirwe munyari bali chacho sekereirwe nintu to make into the media, national media to the extent that you people na nichi media chinde jonsi pimwaro ligo sondi akolete gaiga liko kobo development ole tolo se even our youths banyol opportunities ama bagaba na bitakonigwa development ito igegwe kuba exchange ne nogosera kwa luchimia mbiri abantu mbachi gukoraki chi sentence ibere kwate wekera ini chi sentence ibere lakini bantu mbako kobolinga ki kakiama bagabande chi constituency ndeketoro cyo mujumba ko graduate abana babo ayayitunga yali abana baito babe kwamo bategujigazi cyatukire karibu 1000 2000 cyatukire chiko baila iskalia basa buchibesa bategendo ligi medical gendo akane agent gendo akane good conduct bakobesa baonie ngombe baonie ngoko alafu kwamanya kulimia WhatsApp group kwa batika para. They have not been paid their money. It is the responsibility ya bali baba tebe tinga bale trechigazi one jibese chio na tutaita kumanga yibajete.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go tatika chiparangi kerebobe nyalibari.
Keregento ekerebobe. There's not even one thing. All up in point when somebody has been given 700 million. The way you'll walk bokirango gali olole pale ya erete bana bachite chikosi chipolitiko chikosi cyabo chipolitechnic bagenderete kwaroje miruka ga koronche KMTC mata kwaroje nyakundi ga koronsi chipara muina jierete into kemutisia se atigeretwe aribe no ekuamete epara yarenge kwa gachuga iga sokaliri aliga no ekuameta se atigeretu nothing kero tu mana recently epara kurube no gocha kurende gocha keumbu bone ko baronchi 4 years later after abantu bakulire epara yarenge ko baronchi tinga keumbu gochi kiendege gochi kemera teyo in fact no president yaro jobo zoku because they are not telling him the truth baga temba gento kirigyo koronchi baroncheti because there's nothing like that. So there's nothing urigere abali mibaito bechi chai no enogo ikie chai ga ekwende factory. It is difficult para korunsaiga asina itoro mambia kake gatimba kalianya mwamu. It is in a very bad shape completely. Because in fact no raba China mbali inge para bachagite ko agacha muneze muno mwana ondaswa you cannot even follow up energy deal tago follow up pala again that gali public was tindi go soka korwa not to make it even worse no matter monto ino ago ikaranse body echipara parliament nero ko allocate chibesa chiko chikolo chipara kenyengima aito kole allocate rende ka kinolo siliko lieli mobekera so that is how bad it is kwale ko be ko mujumbo nde e committee cross chipara ekero moga ko pole como wako yoba bonchali gaiga karabe tue kwende na nkoroje kyakorete omoga kakirisi obure karabe getu alibo basi similar committee similar kwende leadership nkwaro jinki yakorete bo basi into mondo ikaransiro 4 years chibaje jigweta kero mwaka taragacho no 1 kilometer toraenda oronya libali ntenge kilometer yonyale bwagachite kaki so that is how bad it is. So Nyaribali in a very bad shape. That is how Kending Kiyola Teve. In fact, abangina bagate ungatwa ngo batori chikadi. Chio korwali kubosa. Mupende musipende tutawapeleka hospitali free. Bangina bumbanya korwali kubosa. Tutebekene nobody. Abangina bandega ai kwalu balibo bwato mwana bairwe pasare.
Ngo chagiti murubiro ibo korwali abangina.
Mbora mujumbe twachoreta. Yeah. Paka katangaza credit it's public in the public domain. No any kikichigazi 1500 jobs to Katal akatangaza mpaka akaronchi. Chikari agateba upende usipende tunakupeleka hospitali free. Abantu bako bolijwa se chiabonga chiaterende. No what happened?
Banyago ikaransa se mumuboli.
Not even in one forum. We have insisted this in several forums. Omonto gosioka gaigo gosioka guzi Friday obrukania matango tamango chi Nairobi ngacho komuli Nairobi nensenene abajumbe bande ntomanye tokobolia na bwate forum akoranga professionals bense area constituency aye osoro you can tell. Do you know the last 4 or 5 years there is no professionals abatuli gete senior government officials asinyali bali agatole mpaka PSS mpaka CSS no manye we don't have even our own people in government. Then in fact one of the largest keroge kanagio katobugate asinyali bali ngima aze serikali yero nige kero kyo muzike Charles Nyachai kyo kobecha manie kwende ya Kenya School of Government only there's no other position. And then we are among the largest constituencies. In fact, Nyaribali Chache is one of the largest and most diverse constituencies. Etabu atili presentation as a serikali.
Kupatikana nayo niko toko mjumbo rabisi.
Yes, 100%. You know the back stops as a team. And kero kwacho lute ninje birundu nalinge mambia. First destination ko bochipara kintale na bwene cross nage. Ngo bwene cross nyalebe. Ninde committee you na bekire chibesa go chabukera na nonji bwate timpaka alias bako allocate go cheki ko advertise ke pala yane because tinko bagaga ngweterie budget have to go advertise pala chikaranga troch so the back stops us ngomo jumbe ekera lengo yo lengo of immediate form na ndenko ira ni mega kempaka monda chibora losi chikaba jibo ekintu kyo kagesarigete ne pampu mujumboro tako gendera project Jones page installed chiritongia chagete Jones is installed. When you get into leadership you continue from where your predecessor stopped. Jones page is yes.